Let's learn about data flow. Previously, we learned about scope, the idea that variables inside a function cannot be used outside of the function, and variables outside a function should not be used inside the function. Further, we learned that functions do not consume or return variables. Instead, they consume and return values. These ideas are critical in understanding how data flows through a program. You can think of a program as a flowing, twisting river. Regular execution makes the river flow south, but functions disrupt this flow. Along the way, values are carried by the current. At times, we give these values names by using variables, but it is the values that flow through the program, not the variables. When you call a function, each parameter is assigned the value of a relevant argument. When you return from a function, the function call is substituted for the returned value. These are the only tools we should use in Python to move data around a program. To move data from one function to another, you cannot just look at the two functions. You must also look at where the functions were called. The returned value of one function should be fed into the next function. We have now learned a few keywords: def, return, and pass. In previous lessons, we learned a few other keywords: and, or, not, and in. Python has a small set of keywords, and you will eventually learn most of them. An important detail to remember is that we cannot name variables or functions using keywords, because Python will get confused by what we are trying to say.